Hi Year 8, hope you're all doing well and had a lovely half term. Today we're going to do some work on multiplying fractions. I'm going to ask you to go to MyMaths, so go to mymaths.co.uk and then log in with Fitzharris and Factor. Oh, sorry, just checking everything's working. Yep, log in with Fitzharris and Factor. And then what you're going to do is go here and log into your My Portal section. And in your My Portal section, you'll find that I've set you multiplying fractions, which on my one, or you could go this route, but on my one is down here, multiplying fractions by fractions. And I want you to spend about half the lesson on the lesson section, and then the second half of the lesson on the online homework section. We're going to work through the first 3 slides of the lesson section together, and then I want you to work through the next 6 slides of the lesson section and then the homework section. So 1/3 times a quarter. So the first couple they use here are using little diagrams. So there's a quarter of a rectangle. 1/3 times a quarter. We use the phrase lots of a lot with multiplication, and we usually only use that with integers, with whole numbers, but we can use it with fractions as well. And yeah, as it says here, so 1/3 lots of a quarter. So it's the same as saying 1/3 of a quarter. So if you split that third up into quarters, you can see that we've just got 1/12 of the rectangle. And as we sort of said, 1/3 times a quarter is like finding 1/3 of a quarter. And you can see here, actually what's happened is it's just 1 times 1 over 3 times 4. 2/3 times 3/5, sorry, very similar one then. There's your 3/5 of a rectangle. We want 2/3 lots of 3/5, or 2/3 of 3/5. So if we split up that 2/3, split up that 3/5 into 2/3, then we've got 6/15. And once again, actually all we've really done is 2 times 3 over 3 times 5, or 6 over 15. And if we want to make it even better, we can cancel it down to 2/5. One more here then. So the 3 steps: you multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators. Those are the 2 main steps, the 2 key steps. Even better if you can simplify the fraction. So here's one more example then. 4/5 times 3/8. We're going to multiply those numerators. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 8 is 40. So 4/5 times 3/8 is 12/40. And if you want to make it even better, we can cancel it down. The top and the bottom have got a common factor of 4. So divide the top and the bottom by 4 and make it 3/10. So quite a nice little activity today to get us back into maths this term. So I want you now to work through slides 4 to 9. Any problems, do let me know. Oh, sorry, I better plug my computer in. And then work through the homework section. Okay, hope that's alright. Like I said, drop me an email if there's any problems. Otherwise, have a lovely day and I'll speak to you tomorrow. See you later, guys.